Oh my goodness.
It's a 3D printer.
It's what?
It's a 3D printer. It takes yeah, here,
Three
look, it makes-
3D.
This was made on this.
No.
Yeah.
It was not
Yeah,
Sam.
take it. Feel it. It takes this plastic right here, it comes out, and it melts it, and puts it very specifically out on what it's making right now. Is something like this.
You can make anything. You can make
anything you want.
glasses
Yeah.
for your face. You can make eyeglasses.
This,
No,
this
you
has
can't.
this.
But where does it go?
It comes through this tube, which is called the Bowden tube.
Yeah.
And then, if you look, this plastic is completely
I
made
can't
of
believe
sugar
this
cane,
how.
too.
It's what?
Completely made of sugar cane. There's no oil in it. Well, it's not gonna taste like.
Are you?
not-
Did you taste it?
Yeah, I taste the sugar cane.
Yeah, do you?
I licked the bottom of it.
Yeah.
Could I ask you a question, please?
Yeah.
Could I buy this from you?
You can just keep it.
You sure?
Yeah. That thing, like the material that was that was used to make that is maybe 2 cents.
But I want you to sign it.
I will sign it for you. I will sign it. Yeah.
But don't sign in the place where you just licked.
You can.
You
You can
licked
keep
it.
a pair if you want.
Made from sugar cane.
It's a pair of.
You sure?
Yeah, definitely.
I'd appreciate it if you signed it,
Yeah, I will.
and I'd gladly take that.
Yeah, of course.